The Samurai has been on summer duty for the last couple of years, and at that it does really well. It's a lot of fun to drive. However, as you can see, the paint could use some help. I think it's probably been many years since it's been polished, and it's actually probably been a couple years since it's even been washed. So the mini project for today is to clean up the paint on the Samurai and do kind of just a mini restoration of the paint. I'm not going to do any body work. The bumps and scrapes give it character, I think. And this Samurai is basically just a toy. It's a fun vehicle to drive. It doesn't have to be perfect. So the goal is to make the paint better, but it doesn't have to be flawless. As you can see here, there's a patch of quite a bit of oxidation on the hood. And that actually was from me. That was OxyClean, I believe, that spilled on there. So the goal is to polish that out. I think this is the first wash it's received in a couple of years. Probably the first time it's gone wet in a couple of years. I've had this flex polisher for a few years, and it really was a good investment. That is a very high quality tool. For polish, it'll be done in 3 stages. Stage 1 will be 3M rubbing compound on an orange foam pad. Stage 2 will be the machine polish on a white foam pad, and then stage 3 machine polish will be on a red foam pad. I was trying to polish with one hand for the camera, but that just doesn't really work that well. So this is a rubbing compound. As you can see, I actually let it dry a little bit here, but it makes a dramatic difference just from this first stage. This is after the first stage done to the entire Samurai, and already it's looking much better. So the oxidation on the hood, it removed that, no problem. And now I'm just getting ready for stage 2, which will be this 3M Perfect It machine polish. Fast forward now maybe only 30 minutes or so, not long at all, and stage 2 is done, and also stage 3. I may put a proper ceramic coating on it at some point, but for today I'm going to use this Turtle Wax Hybrid spray on, spray off. It's just so fast and so easy, and it will be good enough for today. So for really just a couple hours of easy work, I think that made a dramatic and really positive improvement to the paint. The Samurai is looking great. The oxidation on the hood is gone. The paint has much more gloss. And although it's not perfect, it is certainly much better, and it is good enough for this Samurai. This only took a couple of hours, and the reason for that is because the Samurai is just so small. There is not a lot of surface area, and it was just super easy to polish. So for a quick project, I am very happy with the results. That's it. See ya.